If you have the DJI Nano, check out these filters right here. So we actually have filters that are gonna screw right on to the lens that's on there. So you'll take that one off. We have a CPL, a UV, ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64. Now, if you're new to neutral density filters and CPLs, basically the easiest way to say it is like putting sunglasses on your camera. So if it's really bright, you're gonna throw these on there. And what that's gonna do is create that motion blur. So if you're looking for some fast action shots, maybe you're on a skateboard and you can see the difference between a neutral density filter and not one. Once you pause the footage, especially, it is like, yeah, you could see motion blur. It just makes that come alive. It looks like, wow, something's happening, something's fast. And the higher you go, the more blur you get. The UV is also great just for getting rid of some of the glare, especially on water. And same with the CPL. So you have like a polarizer, but it also, it has a, you can like move it to different levels. Yeah, if you're looking for that fast action or just even like photography where you want everything to be blurry except for what's standing still, this is what you're gonna wanna get. Highly recommend them, and thanks for watching.